Ukraine's drone operators get a lot of practice to improve their aim of dropping grenades down on Russian vehicles. While sometimes only having one harder drop to take out a vehicle, it's really important that it hits, while in other cases being able to practice in on their aim. As seen here, Russia abandoned a BMP-1, which a Ukrainian drone could practice with high explosive dual-purpose grenades. While hitting the infantry fighting vehicle multiple times, penetrating the thin roof armor, damaging internal structure, making the BMP worthless, the operator keeps practicing the aim for future reference until the BMP is completely destroyed, taking out and making one less vehicle to be on the battlefield tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.